The cold weather is here, and Fry Cox, 401 South 1st Street in Muleshoe, can help keep you warm. See their wedding shower selections for Caleb Wood and Chandler Barnes, now available at Fry Cox. Get in now for pipe wrap insulation, faucet covers, patio door and window insulation kits, window air conditioning covers, garage door bottom seal, and much, much more. See their selection of heaters along with Berne bibs and coats for the whole family, with a large new shipment of Berne coats and bibs coming in very soon. Check out the Milwaukee Heated jackets now at Fry Cox. They have hand warmers, toe warmers, and foot warmers. Check out the ChanneLock 63-piece socket set, marked down to $34.99 through November at Fry Cox. They have wood pellets for your wood-burning stoves, snow shovels, ice scrapers, and a good selection of ice melt. The Quilt Corner in Fry Cox will be at the Muleshoe Merry Market on Saturday, November 2nd at the Bailey County Coliseum, so look for them there. Fry Cox, keep warm at 401 South 1st Street. They're open Monday through Saturdays, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. in Muleshoe, Texas.